Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Apple ID is signed into Messages and that you have an active data connection. This allows iMessage to send without SMS. Once signed in, enable iMessage in Settings Messages and immediately turn off Send as SMS so texts won't fall back to carrier SMS. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Otherwise, iMessage can't deliver. These steps force Messages to use Apple's service instead of relying on your phone plan. Next, go to Settings Messages Send and Receive to control how you're addressed and how you send. Deselect your phone number and select only your Apple ID email addresses. This makes outgoing messages originate via iMessage rather than SMS. You should also set the caller ID to an Apple ID address so replies route back to your account. Once done, devices using the same Apple ID will sync and use iMessage across Wi-Fi or mobile data without relying on SMS. Finish by sending a test message to someone on Apple devices and confirm blue bubbles. That proves iMessage-only delivery. Use group chats and media normally. iMessage handles attachments over data and keeps conversations Apple to Apple. If you see a green bubble or messages fail, first check your internet connection, then toggle iMessage off and on, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and restart the device. If needed, verify date/time, and that send as SMS remains disabled to prevent carrier fallback.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.